Yes, we do know the battery drain for your Galaxy Watch 4 is real. Well, since after the installation, since after the arrival of Google Assistant for your Galaxy Watch 4, it became a bigger issue than many of us have really anticipated, and it can be a top contributor to your battery life, or shall I say, a top contributor to your battery drain. Hold on, yes, I know, some of you really had also some connection issues after installing the Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 4. Connection issues between your watch and your corresponding smartphone, and it didn't pair, it just unpaired, and some of you, I know, it hurt, some of you had to do a hard reset. Ouch. Well, check out this update for your Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 4. Take out your Galaxy Watch 4, open up your app shelf, and you can see what you always see, all your apps. You scroll down to the Google Play Store. You basically tap on it, and then you see all the available options as you would normally do. Scroll down to My Apps, and then you click on this. And what happens here when you do this, this should initiate an update for all the applications, for all the apps that basically need an update for your Galaxy Watch 4, but don't do this automatically in the background. And as you can see here, a bunch of apps need updating, including your Google Assistant. And all you need to do is basically press Update All, grab a coffee, and let it all happen. If you have more than one app that needs updating, that may take a while in order to finish. So here's the deal. Let me know what this has fixed for you. I can tell you that it has fixed, or it has increased my battery life. The drain is not as bad as it was before. And I installed it last night. I could monitor this overnight and this morning, but let me know what it has fixed for you.